Welcome back to Buddhismo Crypto. Today we got something special for you. 2 live technical analysis videos from our previous live stream on February 4th, 2025. We're breaking down the charts, giving you key insights into their price action and potential moves. But before we jump in, we need your help. We're on a mission to hit 1,000 subscribers, and right now we're at 630. If you enjoy technical analysis and crypto insights, make sure to smash the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a live show. Alright, let's get into the video. For the next one, we got a fan favorite. We love ZCash.
Alright.
ZCash.
Alright, that's up at the top for me.
The Poppy's gonna pull it up. We're just waiting.
Alright.
So we're gonna be doing technical analysis on ZCash. Let me hand it over to Crypto Poppy. Let's go.
Alright, so we have our overall Fibonacci, and you can see here our swing high, and all we've done is melt since then. So, and that was May 21st, 2022. So we've melted for quite some time with ZCash. It looks like we were rounding out our bottom and going for a nice movement to the upside till ZCash, along with the rest of the market, was slapped down. So let's take a look at ZCash. Zoom into current price, I should say. So you could see here we did have a beautiful movement to the upside, a natural increase in price, I would say, for ZCash, until we got over the 236 fib level and we got rejected straight back down below it. We tried to pump back above it before continuing back down to the downside. ZCash is a little worrisome because, like one of the other tokens we looked at, off the top of my head, I don't remember, but we came back down to the 236. We retested it before we were moving back up to the upside.
I think it was Blast, yeah.
Blast?
Yeah, I think
with
so. Yeah.
ZCash here, you could see here, we're below the 236. We're wicking down towards our zero movement, which is our swing low, and we're starting to wick up to the upside. So for ZCash, I would say if we're going to continue to the upside, we need to get the current weekly candle back above these weekly candles here from August 12th and August 19th, which was about $42. So ZCash needs to start moving back up to the upside by about $9, a little under $9. Really, to have a nice green candle and some faith restored back in the market. And let's continue back up to the upside, get back above $63, and most importantly, get candle bodies closing above the Fibonacci level. And let's move to $129, $140, $160, $173. Let's move to the upside. ZCash has been below $100 since, let's see, about roughly right here, which is May 30th, 2022. So let's get ZCash back above it. ZCash is a great token, nice, great privacy token. They have their own little payment platform that's run on the Flexa network. So love ZCash, love everything they do, love everything that they've built. But I would love for the price to get back above $100 per token.
How much of a movement would it be from current price to the last high that they had?
Current price to the previous wick high, 143%.
Okay.
Current price to get back above the 236 fib level, 92%. Current price to get back above $100. Let's start aiming low now. Current price to get back above $100, 204%. But mainly when we start moving, I'm looking at $130. So 295% to $130. So a lot of upside movement for ZCash. But really when these movements start, then we're going to start eyeing, the $200 level, $300 level, so on and so forth. Which, I mean, really $340 level, with it being our 618 up there. But ZCash looks okay. ZCash definitely needs to start moving back up to the upside before some of the other tokens, before ZCash ends up back at the swing low for the Fibonacci level. So that's it for ZCash.
So that's it for ZCash, guys. We love ZCash, and there's it's kind of the ecosystem of the coins that we like, you know, Dash, AMP. So still waiting on that.
Anvil, don't you forget Anvil.
Anvil, yes, Anvil. Sorry, that was the last one I forgot to mention. If you're enjoying this technical analysis, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're pushing towards 1,000 subscribers, and right now we're at 630. Every sale helps us grow the Buddhismo crypto community. Drop a like, leave a comment, and let's keep this momentum going. All right, back to the analysis. All right, anyway, so like we mentioned, another one in that circle network of tokens that we like, Dash, is going to be the next technical analysis.
All right, right below ZCash
Hey, we're
on
doing great time today, guys. Great time.
True. Oh my gosh. Put it on the camera. Let me see this. Wow, Dash does not look good zoomed out. But it does show that there's huge upside potential for Dash.
Yep.
But again, it's tokens that Dash and ZCash specifically are so undervalued for everything they do, how long they've been around the market, and all of their, when you look at the tokens in the market, on the market, and the tokens that their circulating supply, their cap that'll ever exist, these tokens should be valued so freaking high. It's crazy. And Dash right now is at $26.24. Insane.
Yep.
Insane. So let's zoom in and take a look at Dash here. Adjust the charts a little bit. And you could see here we did make a nice movement about 2 months ago or so. Yeah, December 2nd, 2024. So a little over 2 months, 2 months and a couple days, which did challenge our high from February 13th, 2023. So we did have a good movement, which that same movement in December 2nd, 2024 did wick above our trend line, which is acting as resistance. First touch point, November 7th, 2022. Second touch point, May 8th, 2023, and we had it extended out. And you can see we broke above that about 2 months ago before getting rejected. Came back down to our 236 level, bounced off of that slightly, came back to it, and we melted below it. And just like we were saying with ZCash, we can't go too much lower before we're going to have to create a new swing low for our Fibonacci level. So Dash, just like ZCash, we need to get back on that high horse and come back above probably to our 0.786 level, our overhead trend line, before taking a breath of fresh air. So from current price to our 236 fib level, 25%. Current price to our 618 level, 108%. Current price to the 786 and our trend line is about 150% movement to the upside. And Dash, just like ZCash, they could make that movement in about a week. Yep. You know what I mean?
It's true. When they start moving, they move.
They could make
like that last run up. How many weeks is that? That's like 5 weeks.
Yeah. Let's take a look here. I could just count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. So a month and a week to make that beautiful movement to the upside. But the problem is we need to make that movement to the upside and stop getting rejected so hard, so crazy, retracing 100% of our pump within the span of 2 months. Just we grind for a month and a week, and then we dump back down to retrace 100% of that movement for the next 2 months. Crazy. We need to see that movement to the upside, and we need to have strength in this market and continue to the upside. Start making nice candle body movements to the upside, nice pattern formations to the upside. Let's see some bull flags in the market. Let's continue just stair stepping to the upside. So that's it for Dash. Just we have a ton of upside potential, scary downside potential if we're going to start creating some new lows for these tokens.
All right, guys, that was Dash. Some spooky hour going on, okay? But either way, like when we're doing technical analysis, we're looking at previous high price history. And I think last year, around February, March, there was a big pump. It was a big rally that happened at that time. So hopefully, once all this tariff stuff starts getting settled and the prices start going back up, hopefully we'll have another rally like that. And back then, that was still considered a bear market. So right now, we were technically in a bull market now. So hopefully that rally helps push everything up and go even higher than the most recent highs that we had so far. But anyway, that was that for Dash.